Bluey and Bingo were playing hide and seek when the ground rumbled. Bingo shouted, "Bluey! Something's coming!" From the bushes, a golden chariot rolled out, pulled by glowing cats with emerald eyes. Sitting tall was the queen herself, the legendary cat ruler. Bluey gasped, "The Cat Queen? In our backyard?" The queen raised her paw, her crown shining. "Bow before me, little dogs." Bingo whispered, "Do we run? Or fight?" Bluey's eyes narrowed. "No, we challenge her." The cats hissed, tails sparking like whips. The queen laughed. "You think you can face my army?" The tension snapped. Would two pups survive this night? Bluey charged first, barking with courage, "We won't back down." Bingo followed, spinning with playful chaos. The cats swarmed, faster than lightning. Claws flashed, fur flew, yet Bluey dodged left, leapt right, her paws glowing with strange new power. Hook after hook, every move could be the last. The queen roared, "Enough!" With a stomp, she summoned a tower of fire. Bingo squealed, "Bluey, watch out!" But Bluey's eyes glowed. She barked louder, stronger, until the flames shattered into sparks. The cats froze. The queen staggered, "Impossible! A dog with the power of kings?" Bluey smirked, "Not kings. Queens." Bingo cheered, "Go, Bluey!" The fight exploded again. Boom! Bluey unleashed a wave of light, blasting the cats back. The queen stumbled, crown slipping from her head. Silence. Then she hissed, "You have earned my respect." With a bow, she placed the crown at Bluey's paws. "Rule with honor, little pup." Bluey stood tall, crown shining on her head. "I don't need to rule," she said, "but I'll protect everyone." The cats bowed, fading back into the night. Bingo hugged her sister, "You were fearless." Bluey winked, looking straight at us. If that adventure shook you, hit like, subscribe, and join us for the next wild battle. You won't believe what's coming.